Addition looks simple, but it's shockingly easy to make mistakes, especially when we rush, guess, or stop paying attention to details. In this video, I will be sharing 5 common addition mistakes with you and how to avoid them. Hey math charms, it's Miss Becca, your favorite math tutor. So, grab your pen, your jotter, and maybe a snack. Let's solve some problems together. The first addition mistake that I will be sharing with you is not lining up the place value. Sometimes when students see questions like this, what they do is 2, 4, 3 plus 5, 6, and then they add. When you add like this, you will get something like this, and this is wrong. What you are expected to do is to say 2, 4, 3. This is the ones place, this is the tens place, and this is the 100. So you place the ones. For 56, this is ones, and this is tens. So you place the tens under the tens. That means 5 will be here, and you place ones under ones. That means 6 will be here. Then you add 3 plus 6 is 9, 4 plus 2 is 9, and then we have 299. So this is the correct answer. So students make this mistake. Make sure you avoid this. The second mistake is forgetting to carry. When students add 8 plus 5, 8 plus 7, 8 plus 7 is 15. Then students write 5, and then 6 plus, they say 6 plus 5. 6 plus 5 is 11, and they write 11. This is wrong. This is wrong. When you add 68 plus 57, then when you say 8 plus 7 is 15, fine, it's correct. But don't throw the 1 from the 15 away, because the 1 holds the tens place. Place it here where we have the tens place, so that we have 1 plus 6 is 7, 7 plus 5 is 12. So this is the correct answer. This is another mistake that students make while adding numbers. You need to be careful of this also. The third mistake is rushing without checking. Sometimes when students see this, instead of checking well, they just rush and solve. Oh, 3 plus 4 is 7. That will give 700. 700. This is wrong. You don't rush too much such that you miss your answer. 3 plus 4 is 7. Fine. But don't forget that we have 5 here, we have 5 here. And this means you add the 5 to 5, which will give 10. And then this will make this become 8. So 350 plus 450 would give 800. So sometimes students rush without checking the question well before solving. Avoid this mistake also. Do you need personalized help? Click the link in the description to message me directly. The third mistake is misinterpreting word problems. When you see a word problem like this, read it statement by statement. Understand it before you interpret it. For example, a farmer has 120 cows and 75 goats. How many animals does he have? This is addition, not subtraction. If he has 120 cows and 75 goats, how many animals does he have? Cows are animals, goats are animals. So you are expected to add them. Some students might make a mistake and subtract, but that is wrong. So when you see word problem, read it, understand it before you solve. The fifth mistake is ignoring 0 in the ones or tens place. When you are to add this number, do not ignore this 0. The zeros are not useless. 0 is not nothing. So when you are to add 420 plus 130, some students might make a mistake and just say 50, 55, and this will be wrong. They've ignored the 0 and they've thrown this 0 away. 420 plus 130 is to be 550. Do not ignore the zeros. They are holding a place. So avoid these mistakes and get more marks. After solving, always double check your work. Just one tiny mistake can cost you a whole mark. Don't lose easy points to lazy errors. That's it for today. If you learned something new, don't keep it to yourself. Like, share, and drop your answers or thoughts in the comments. Remember, math gets easier the more you see it and say it. See you in the next video.